moving your historical data out of Ekos and into KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the 12 import slots, how to upload and map a file, and how to read the row counts before you move on. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Onboarding, Ekos from your dashboard. If you're moving your historical data out of Ekos and into KettleiQ, this importer handles it one data type at a time. Log into Ekos, pull the 12 reports listed here from Reporting, then tap Start New Import to open the 12-slot grid. Start at the top, since some slots depend on data from earlier ones. Tap a slot like Recipes, then tap Upload File and select the CSV or Excel export you pulled from Ekos. I'll show you a preview of the columns I found. Match each one to the right KettleiQ field with the drop-downs. If the headers already match, I do that part for you. Then tap Import. The slot updates with how many rows made it in and how many had errors. Tap any error to see exactly what's wrong, a missing quantity, a duplicate name. Fix the file, re-upload, then move to the next slot until all 12 are complete.